What is going on, everybody? We are officially live again for Asia Session. It's almost as if I never ever left. Crazy. You guys keep getting the best of me. Man, y'all are welcome. Absolutely. I need to mute myself. I gotta test some music. Hold on, y'all. Right. I think everything's good. I'm playing the music on my phone. I don't want it to be too loud. I just want to be good enough. All right, bet. We're good. Just wanted to have it be, faint enough in the background, not to be too loud. Y'all can hear me talking. Sorry, y'all. Either way, let's get underway here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the balance. Today, on this funded account, we made another $400. 2 trades, 2 base hits, in and out. Balance, ignore the 50, because currently right now it is at 800. That is a true balance. This is a funded account. So, that means that the 50,000 is not what I actually have. If you do not know what futures trading is, you don't know what trading with a prop firm is, just ignore that 50,000. I don't actually have that 50,000. Just so y'all know. Either way, looking here, we are moving up. Let's see. We opened up here at 25,000. This level has been playing around. I'm telling you, 25,000 has been the sweet spot. But now we are moving up here. Setting up for a bull flag, similar to yesterday's move. It looks like it's moving up. I think yesterday we had, I can't even remember what happened during Asia session yesterday. I think it's sold. But right now, bullish move to the upside. So not into antsy. Oh, I mean, if I would have gone there, there's the 10 points. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? But I didn't. Coming up here, first level of resistance is going to be 25,100. It kind of makes sense. This is where all this little junk is right here. So looking like the market's wanting to go test that 25,100 area. We got about, let's see, 20, 18, 21, 24. We got about 2 minutes left, a minute and a half until we open the next candle. So I think if we close up here, a good chance that we go test 25,100s. Not saying that it could happen, but, just kind of keeping out. Strong move back up here, looking like it's probably going to break through to it. I don't think I'd want to go short here. Bulls are definitely strong, so you're looking at something like that would be, not bad. But I definitely missed the entry here, so now I'm going to sit a little bit on my hands and really just be patient, see where the market wants to go from here. It'd be nice if we can kind of pull back a little bit, squeeze in some of the shorts that are shorting up here. I can get in long, and then we take it back up to the highs. But right now, it doesn't seem like that's going to be happening. 5 minute is bullish as well. Still moving up. ES is moving up as well. So they both are moving in congruence, which is great. They're not going against each other. We are breaking out. I wouldn't want to be short here. Looking like 100 is coming up. Just trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient. If y'all know what I'm saying. There we go. There's the break. I think this is probably going to be the breakout. Let's see how we react to this. It might be a little bit of a weak pullback. So we push it down to 73. Or I think that probably was the pullback. It's probably going to keep busting up to the upside. Keep on moving up. Let's be patient. Be patient here. See what happens. I think 100 is very doable. We'll just have to see how this reacts. He is still on the red candle, so it looks like they might want to pull back a little bit deeper than what they intended. So break just below 80 again, squeezing some liquidity there. Tag me in. Let's go back up to 88. How about that? Again, this is on a funded account, so I'm not trading an evaluation. This is a real funded account. There we go, tagged in. Let's see if we can take this breakout back to the upside. Continue the move up to 90, 100 area-ish. Looking to just stay in strong with momentum here. Don't want to see this pull back. ES is pulling back. This is not a good look, but want to see if we can keep getting that push up. Push it back above and break up to 100s. Or do the bulls just give it up here? Come on, bulls. Y'all were so strong. I need y'all to keep this breakout. I need y'all to stay strong and keep on moving up. Come on, bulls. Need y'all to stay strong here. Keep that momentum to the upside. Let's push it back above 80. Rip it up to 90s. Take it to the 100s. ES is still falling down here, so not a good look. But let's get this push back up. Good, good, good. Just squeezing some of the bears that are trying to short here. Let's get this push back up to 88.25. Again, the plan here is just to really take this short breakout to the upside, get my base hit. We're stalling out here. I'm not a fan of this. I really wanted to just see it pull back a little bit and then move right back up. Would have been ideal, but doesn't seem like that's going to be happening. Chilling out here. Oh man, yeah, that's not a good close at all. I might get stopped out. Tough. Super tough. Really wanted to see it just break out, pull here, but I think everybody else probably had the same idea that I had. Try and get in. Let's see how we react here. Can we get the bulls to push it back in, come back strong, and just engulf this candle right here again? No? Oh, I'm getting stopped out. There we go. So 250 loss, down 250. Tough. We did not get the continuation. It probably continues going up now that I've gotten stopped out. That always happens. Now it's going to go up. This is where it's going to be, it's going to decide to go up. Tough. Love it, love it. Let's take this entry again. If you want to go up, I want to go up with you. Get that just fake breakout. And let's move back to the up. Oop. I think I chased it. Stop that. All right. Now down 595. Definitely was not the move to size up. Just catch my breath. Take a deep breath. We'll be okay. We are only down 595. Not gonna be tough to get back. What a move back down though. I really wanted to see continuation up, but I guess we're not getting that move up to 100. Are the bulls just gonna give it up here? Looks like that might be what's happening. No? Currently down 595. What'd you say here? I don't know. I feel like, I mean, it could just keep falling down now, right? Nothing has to happen the way he wanted to. There we go. Does it want to come back down to this level? Back down to 50 now? Five minutes a little bit ugly. Huge. I guess I should have seen that 5 minute. Should have, could have, right? In hindsight. 5 minute left the wick. Not very pretty for the bulls here. What now? Let's see. What's this? What did it come down to 60? It's at 66. Let's take that. I'm gonna go in one contract. Put the take profit up at 100. It's 99. See if we can get this just pushed back in now. Let this just be the fake out. Squeeze out all the bears and then just pump it back up. I would say that today was pretty good during the New York session for my Apex account. I was able to come back in and get a what do you call it, 500 win. So not bad there. Is pretty good. Can we get them, the bulls, to come in here, push it above? We break it up to the upside, back to the upside. I want to see us just stair step up and push it up to the hundreds. But there's no wig down here, so I guess it's a little bit of a wig. A little minor wig. Let's get the bulls to come back in. Just squeeze out these shorts at the top, but oh, look like I might be stopped out. Come back down. Looks like, yeah, we're about to eat this loss. Oh, am I gonna get saved here by Tick? Let's go. I do want to adjust my stop loss, put it up at the bottom of these lows. I think that would make more sense. I might add in too if we keep pushing up. Oh, yo, hold on. I think my Wi-Fi went down. No. Yo, for real, Romer, what's up? 100%, man. Absolutely. Resilience is definitely needed. Hold on here. See if we can break it back above. I think if we can break back above 74, we can start pushing back up to the highs. I'm glad my Wi-Fi's back. I think I disconnected for a bit there. This morning, though, was talk about another bullish day. We just went straight up. Luckily, I was kind of in and out, basically, got in and out of the trade, so I was I'm happy, man, that I was able to take a dub. My Apex account made 500 on that. I did make 400 on this one here, but I'm currently in drawdown, so that's my P&L right now. Super tough. I guess the Bulls are not wanting to keep a continuation. Can we get ES to keep pumping back up? Stall out a little bit. Down here, just squeezing some liquidity. We pump it back up to 90s level, would be great. It would be great. Because we have this junk up here at 100, so kind of targeting the areas up here, but looking like the Bears are definitely in control here. Got about, let's see, 36, 39. I think this candle just opened up. No. 30, 33, 30. I don't think we just opened this. Okay, there we go. New candle. It's a little bit late, a little bit delayed on the open. Not gonna lie. Let's see, ES pump back up. Can we get this break back up to the upside? At least back up to 80s level-ish. Would be good if we pump this green, so we'll just have to be patient here. Give us some room to breathe. I do have my brackets here turned off just so I can size in accordingly. I don't want to enter with the brackets already preset because it might screw up some of my trades, so give it room to breathe here. Let's see if we can take it back to the upside. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. Let's fake out the shorts. Shorts are definitely in control here, though. But we're starting to form a little bit of a wedge. With my stop loss just at the lows here. Right under 50. Five-minute, no wick above 65, so we can probably get a push back to 65. But I mean, we break 70, I think, sky's the limit, right? But right now, Bulls are not in control. Just kind of chopping here. Hanging out. Yes, not much is going on either. Yeah, Romer, 100%, dude. I mean, having difficult days, oh, dude, it just sucks, man, when you're trying to come back from losing days and trying to regain your confidence again. That's one thing is as a trader. Right now I try to start at 7 my time, but it's really dependent on when I get back from the gym too, because I gotta get back, prep for the next day. Obviously, shower. I don't want to just hop on and be dirty and smelly and sit in my chair. But right now, I try to start around 7, if not like 7:30 ish, during the Asia session, and then after, I mean, that's really about it. I don't know what else I was gonna, what else I was gonna say. Oh, New York. Whenever I trade, whenever I work from, I'm able to trade New York. I try to start at the stream at the open. But right now, my Asia session is not set just because of my schedule. So whenever I just start whenever I get home. It could be my time, 7:30 ish. I would say it's a good start time, Man, just all red, no green at all. The Bulls die with this move. I guess I should have seen that as just one big green move is probably would have been a no-go. One thing that sucks is just sitting through a drawdown in a trade when the trades don't work out in your favor right away. Looks like it's coming straight for my stop loss. Let's see, can we get this pushed back up? Bulls, do we have stringer? I'm gonna size in right there. Actually, we'll keep it down here. See if we can get this pushed back above 65. Push it back to 75 would be neat. There we go, there we go. Let's go Bulls, keep pushing this. First take profit, we'll put it at 72. Next 78. And we'll just kind of target the highs up here. There we go. Moving this now to break even. I see the Bulls step in right here, cancel that trade. I don't want this to really come back to break even, so I might kill the trade here. I really want to see the Bulls come through here really, really strong right now and just keep pushing this up. Do not want to see this at, there we go. All right, I'm going to kill that right there. I don't want it to pull back. Now we're just down 75 bucks. So down 595 to now being just down 75. Great play to being patient there. A little bit of a gap here, so I think the market might want to come down. So that's why I wanted to kill that right there. Oh boy. A little bit outside of my scope, what I normally trade, or how y'all see me trade. Definitely was great that I took one position down there. One contract. Looks like the Bulls are coming back in though. So Bulls are coming back in a little bit. Obviously have a little bit. It's not a big gap, but it's little things. Sorry, I'm looking at something else. But this, there's just that open on this 3 minute. It's not the best. Oh, I had to. Whoa, sneeze. So I needed to mute myself. Hopefully, y'all don't hear that. Also, let me know if the background music is too loud. I decided to add some music in the background. I hope I do not get copyrighted. Because I've been trying to find some music for my stream to play in the background so it's not just like me sitting in silence. If y'all know me. Alright, let's turn this back on. What a wig. What a wig. Definitely a great move to kill up the trade. I had a feeling it was going to pull back. Trusted my gut there. Take that profit. Come back. Fill this gap right here. I mean, I think if we get another 70 break and it closes above 70, probably test the highs again, but chopping here now. Come fill this little gap. Yo, are we just like the same people or something, Romer? Because I took 2 losses back to back too. Man, what's going on? Now short. I hope you win, Romer. I hope this, since you're short, I hope this dumps and you just get like 30 points, get back to break even or get in the positive. And then you take that win and go to sleep. 3 minute though, a little bit quick. The upside. I mean, if you got in the 65, you're up 10 points. That's nice. I just don't like this 3 minute candle. I mean, we definitely are still in the bull flag pattern. But let's go look at the daily chart. While that junk is happening, yeah, starting to see some weakness here in this. But I mean, 25,000 is definitely the ground. It's that middle ground between the bulls and the bears. The both are fighting to maintain that level. Obviously, news has a play as well. Right? There's news play as well. I wonder if they want to sweep below 50. Squeeze out. Maybe fake out. You know, people that are expecting this level to break. So maybe there are some orders here. You know, it's stop losses or entries, I would imagine. The bid's in at 52, 75, 54. Let's see how that goes. Did you trade the New York session, Romer? If so, how'd it go for you, man? I traded it. It was great. I was basically done within the first 30 minutes of the open, which is awesome. I love being done early in the morning, because that means I get to do, you know, the rest of my day, and I guess just focus on the rest of my day at my job. Oh no. 5 minutes bouncing off the ADMA. I do want to get in long here, but I want to see a sweep of 50 first. Watch it just go up without me. But I mean, if it closes above here, I'm probably going to take that breakout. Kind of drawing it, but I don't like this. I don't like this 3 minute candle. This is not good. I want it to pull back down, at least put a little bit more of a wick. If you got short up here though, where I took profit, hey yo, you're still sitting pretty good. Oh come on, don't do that. Nasdaq, don't just immediately blow back up. Come down, break that 50, do that sweep. But sometimes you don't get what you want, you know. Sometimes it's not a perfect entry. That's one thing, is trying not to be perfect. Because sometimes you got to be ugly. You just got to do what you got to do to win. All right, I think you did say that, huh? In the morning, the evening, midnight. Props to you though, man. I'm still impressed by that. You're making it happen. Obviously, you know, you work, so you're not able to trade the morning session, but coming back during the slow times like this is definitely impressive. For me, I'm a little bit spoiled because I've always traded New York, so like I love that volatility. Like that speed is just, it just calls out to me. Oh, nice. Hey, you're adapting to your real life situation, and you know, it's great. One thing about, I guess, just trading in general too is just everything else you do in life. How you do one thing is how you do everything. Oh, we're pushing back up. Oh man, I might have to get along here. I don't really want to, but whatever. Oh, really? Yeah, dude, 100% manipulative, man. 100%. I am not going to disagree with you there. Oh, what is this junk? Is this another fake breakout? Don't break out here. I don't like this 3-minute candle close. That's why I didn't want to get in. This one's not even that good either. There's no wig. Might just have to take it. Let's see how ES is reacting. I mean, ES is breaking out. Technically, you know, we're breaking out of this chop. Let's see if we can manipulate this since there's no wick here. A little bit of a pullback. Test of 65. What is this? 63. I just not feeling the breakout because of this 3-minute right here. It might want to come back down again, but who knows? Could be wrong. I'm just down $75, so it's not the end of the world. There we go, pulling back down. I don't know if you're still in the short roamer, but hopefully he took some gains down here, man. At least take something. What a close. 65. I'm gonna take a long here. I'm gonna put a very tight stop loss, just about 5 points. See if we can target that up again. 64. I don't like it. We're hanging out 64.75. You know what? Oh, still in the short. All right, all right. Love it, love it. 64. If we keep hanging out here, I might mark it into the long. See if we can squeeze out 10 points. But I don't know. I don't like this 3-minute close, but you know, we're gonna take it. I put my stop loss at 60. Let's see if we can get this. Of course, I get in, and then now it's gonna short. But I want to see us pump it back up to 75s. Get this breakout here. So very tight stop loss, minimizing my risk. Looks like I might get stopped out. What a fraud. I think I may have shot myself in the foot though. Sorry. Come on, let's get this breakout. Break out of this range. Pop it back to the upside. Let's remove that. 61. Oh, the bid's coming down. Yeah, I'm probably going to eat this loss right here. Yep. Tough. I think I should have listened to myself and said, hey, this is not a good candle. But you know what? Then my emotions get a little bit good of me. So down to 15. I swear, if this breaks up, I'm going to be so disappointed. But if it breaks out, I'll take it again. But right now, it looks like it's coming back down to 55. No juice at all. But this 3-minute candle leaves no really room either, so who knows? The Bulls, the Bears. Come on, let's get this liquidity sweep at 50. One thing I wish I had now is 50. Yeah, I got the email from Tradeovate. So that lockout feature. So I guess only specific platforms that, yeah, like you said, have it for now. The one that this one is I'm trading right now, they have it, which is great. So right now, normally I'm only trading one session, the New York, but since I'm streaming here, I'll trade both sessions. So yeah, I think it's good. Sometimes, you know, I get in, capture some wins. Sometimes I don't. But yeah, right now I'm trading both sessions. Oh, what a move. All right. Let's get this breakout. Come on, Bulls. Let's get the push up. Don't do this to me. Let's get this breakout. Breakout, breakout. Let's go to 82. Come on. Gonna have to be patient with this one. Oh. Oh. What's happening? We're getting chopped up. Did I just get faked out? Oh, no. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's get that push. 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 Just saying now, what a move. The Bears, the Bulls. All right, took that loss again. Down 365. Pretty tight stop loss. Faked that on twice. On 2 of the trades. Dude, if this stops me out and just rips back up, I'm going to be so disappointed. No. Oh, sometimes you're the hammer, sometimes you're the nail, right? Do we close up here? I'm getting back in. I want to see us break up. It's a little bit of a risky trade. This is definitely stupid, but I just want to. I have a feeling that we're gonna break out. It's just we're not getting the follow through at all. Let's just get that break up to the highs again. Come on, Nasdaq. I know you can do it. Break above 75. Let's go to 83. Oh, the rumor, we are in opposite trade, so I know you're rooting against me, but hey, you know, teach. Sometimes this is how it be. It's just getting sold. Oh, this is ugly. 61. 60. Oh yeah, I'm about to eat it. Tough. Stop that. So down 5. We're back down 595. Yeah, dude. I'm just getting chopped up. There we go. Here's the move down. What a move, though. Yeah, you know, market manipulation, right? Market manipulation. Dating sweet 50s? Got about a minute or so, minute 30. Until we get the next candle open. But I'm glad we felt this candle though. I was talking about it. Guess what? It came to fruition. I said, hey, I don't really like this close, but this might be what I would, you know, it came to happen. We're just, the Bears and the Bulls really do not want it. They just want to do what they want to do. I mean, I feel like the bull flag's still gonna play out. I mean, that's just a feeling, right? But of course, they don't have to happen. Sorry, y'all. Just needed to clear my throat. Hopefully, it's not too loud. Also, let me know if the music in the background is too loud or something. Because I know I feel like my streams are a little bit dull with no music. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to just sit in silence. Let me just at least play something in the background. So if you have, you know, headphones in, you can at least have some music to be like, you know, jam out to. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, open. Yeah. I think the breakout's still coming. We're hanging out here. The Bulls are not giving up, but who knows? Maybe this is a lower high. No wick. Let's go test that wick. But this will be my last trade here. I'm going to take this as my last trade. We're just going to put it at the highs. If this trade doesn't work out, then we are calling it. No music? Really? Huh. Hold on. Let me know if you hear now. Let me know. Yeah, man, I want this long. I'm sorry, Romer. You know, we're frenemies. We have just, we're great friends. It's like your pen pal that back in the 80s, you would constantly send a message. Well, you put a message in a bottle, you threw it into the sea, and then you met a friend that has you got a pen pal. But then war started, and we're now meeting on the battlefield. And we only realize that it is each other when we pull up and we say something that only the two of us know with our guns drawn at each other. And then we turn into mortal enemies. And even if we don't want to shoot each other, one of our teammates jumps in and says, "That's an enemy!" Shoots off. One of us gets hit. And then everything goes down from there. That's a great movie. Put that down in the books. That is a beautiful script. That is a pitch perfect, absolutely beautiful script. All right. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't do this to me. I'm just getting faked out here, getting squeezed out both ways. Oh, man. Come on, Bulls. Where are you at? Are they really just going to die here? He has come back down. Oh. I do have an Instagram, but that's more so that's my Instagram handle right there. But that's more so like my fitness account. I don't really post any trading stuff on there yet. And well, it's mainly for fitness, so I really just keep it active there. But that's really all the socials I have. I know that Twitter or X is pretty popular, but just never really got into it, to be honest. So like I've only got this. Only YouTube and Instagram, to be honest. That's about it. Come on. Market, what are you going to do here? We're just chopping in this range. Can we get this breakout? Like, come on. Let's see here. Let's break it above. Push it to 80. Push it. Just push it. Push it, push it, push it. Let's go up to 100. Let's break up and just run it straight to 100. ES is slowly just like steadily climbing up, which is ew. Can we close up here? No. I might want to try to size into. Okay, good close. Move my stop loss up. Let's see if we can finally get this breakout. Push it back to 85. I might scale into if we keep the push up, but if it falls back down, stops me out, then that's gonna be the last trade of the night. Tell you what, dude, I love this chair that I have. I can just rock back and forth in it. I understand why so many people were into the rocking chairs whenever it first came out. Right, there we go. Let's get this breakout. Put my first take profit there. Oh! Wait, hold on. All right. Let's make sure we put both stop losses down here. Let's put the 80. Let's push it back above 70s. Let's push it to 80s. Get this momentum, push it through 72, 73. I mean, realistically, let's get past 75, shoot it up to 80. Do not want to see a pullback here now, so we got to really close strong here for the bulls. There we go. Let's see if we can get the bulls to push through here. Can we get 75 on the ask? Push it up to 75. Coming straight down. All around, back up. Up, down, all around. 72 is holding us down. We really got to break it above these highs. 72, 75. We got 72. There we go. Finally get on the bid. Let's go 73. Keep pushing it up. There we go. Can we get this continuation? ES is approaching highs of the night. Let's go. Push this back up. I mean, it'd be nice if we can go to straight to 100s. I'm here. Just straight breakout. Okay, breakout. Now I'm going to move this down here. Just minimize my risk here. Let's not pull back. Let's get this clean breakout here. Don't come back down. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't do this to me. Keep going up. 73, 75. Tough. ES went straight to the highs. Double top. Not a good look. Just gonna be a little patient here. Give it some room to work out. I think I'm definitely gonna move this to break even though. Because if they pull it back down here, it's not a good look for the bulls. What I really want to see is the bulls continue this move up. ES is at the highs of the night, but Nasdaq's not really wanting to follow suit. All right. We broke above. I mean, we went to 78. Really need the bulls to come back in to push this through, and we break past 80. If we break past 80, good chance, we go test the highs. So let's go. Keep pushing it up. 76 on the ask. Can we go up to 80? Break 80. Let's go 85. There's nothing gonna happen. I'm gonna move my stop losses up a little bit, just right under this candle. So at least I take something a little bit in the profit, but I don't want to see this hold here. I want to see this continue. Push it back above 78. Let's break through and go back to the highs. ES has made new highs in the night. Let's see if Nasdaq can follow through here. Don't really want to see it hang out here much longer. All right, I'm gonna take that right there. 325. Now it's gonna break out because I got out. Yep. But hey, that's fine. We're just now down 270. So. Oh, yep. Definitely left the money on the table. I got shook. I was shook if. I mean, that's not bad. We're only down 270. Then it's not gonna be hard. That's like 2 trades, and I'll be back in the positive. So I think I'm gonna call it here. That's my last trade. Like I said, last trade. So we're down 270 on the night from being. Oh man, this. Guys, this is, what it means to be emotional. But overall, I'm going to call it there. Down 270 on the night. And I can definitely come back from this tomorrow. It's not like I'm down in the hole deep. That's really about it. But overall, Romer, appreciate you tuning in as always. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell because I am going live more often this year. And you're not going to want to miss the entertainment that you see here. Have a good night, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you're from.